So guys, to download this project, very easy guys. Let me delete this one. Very easy guys. Just head on to Zito's project store. Zito's project store guys. So let's head on to Zito's project store. Let's look for let's go to home page and look for StartApp Banner Ads. We'll click on StartApp Banner Ads. As you can see it here, StartApp Banner Ads. We'll download the project and wait till the project is fully downloaded. Yeah, after the project is fully downloaded, let's head back to our sketch where we'll click on restore project. When we click on restore project, we'll look for Zito's. Look for Zito's project right here. Zito's project. We'll click on project files. We'll click on project file. We'll click on StartApp Banner Ads. Once we click on StartApp Banner Ads, we'll select it and click on yes. Then we'll click open. So guys, as you can see, this is the project file. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how to create StartApp Banner Ads. So first thing first, we have to create our project. Let us just name it StartApp Banner Ads quickly. StartApp Banner. StartApp Banner Ads. Okay. Let's go back. So let's not forget to change our minimum SDK version to K version to 19 and the maximum the target SDK version to let's say 50 and above. Okay, let's save that guys. Let us not forget to also change our package name. Let's just change our package name, our project name, and save it. Okay. Now let's open the app. So what first and first, we have to create a linear. Now let me use a linear v, give it a length of match parents, height of match parents guys. Please don't skip any of my video, you're going to miss a lot. So we're going to be creating 3 banner ads. Let's bring one, but undo. Let's use a linear H, 1, 2, and 3. So the one at the center, we're going to be creating a large banner ad for it. So now let us quickly get head to on create. So on creating this activity, what should happen? On creating this activity, what should happen? Yeah. So on creating this activity, let us look for our startup blocks. So if you don't have the startup blocks, it will be in Zito's project store, and I'm going to show you guys how to implement it so you find it in your sketchware. So first of all, we need to bring out this block, this one here, to show to whether you want to run it in test mode or you want to show in React. And also that is where we're going to put our app ID. So we have to create the banner ads in which linear. So that is the second block which we're about to put. We're going to be creating the banner ads in this linear 1, right? In another linear. Then this one here is for the large banner ads. The MREC banner ads will be also here. So now let us also remove the splash screen, which will be here. So the class we are now at is at main activity, main activity, main activity, main activity, right? So let's go back. So here, this will be our linear 3, right? This one down is our linear 5. Here is our linear 4. So I want to put the large banner in linear 4. So which is this linear 4. This one should be at linear 5, and this should be as linear 3. Okay guys, so let's change this to true and false, so we'll be able to see the React. Here let's give it a name, any name of your choice. So I'll be naming this banner 1, banner 1, and here will be banner 2, banner 2, sorry, banner 2, right guys. So what I'm going to put above here, we're going to be adding our app ID. So let us quickly head on to our startup banner ads, startup IO accounts, sorry. And please pay attention, I want to say something very important right here. I want to show you guys something that is very important right here. Let's quickly go to our app. So these are the app ID, right? These are the app ID, these are the app ID. So if you already have a startup project and the app ID you used in it, the app ID that you used in it has already been installed in your device, it will be showing you app not installed. Okay, let me use this one for example. Like I have this Zito's project store installed on my device, right? Okay, please pay attention. Let's copy this, right? I'm going to show you something now. So let me paste it here just for the explanation's sake. Let me just paste this here for now, but I'm going to see the error that I'm trying to talk about. Let's paste this here. So okay, now to get this these blocks, these startup blocks, let us head on to Zito's project store, guys. Let's head on to Zito's project store. So let us go to let's go to blocks, because what we are looking for is the startup ads block. So we'll click on blocks, startup JSON, we'll click on download, then we'll take us to the next page, then we'll click on download and wait for it to be downloaded. Now we've downloaded the block. So what are we going to do next? Let's quickly go to our sketchware, then we'll go to developer tools. You could go from the main page or you could go from here. Click on developer tools. Now let's click on manage blocks, block manager. Let's click on this plus sign here, give it a name. Let me say startup. Then give it any color of our choice. Let's choose this, any color of our choice. Let's click save. So now we have added this the name. So now let us implement the block which we downloaded. So we'll click on this icon here, we'll click on import. Now we'll look for Zito's project. So when we open Zito's project, we'll go to blocks, we'll select startup as JSON, we'll select startup as JSON, select all. As you can see, these are the blocks. It has been implemented now. So but I will be deleting this block because I already have it in my project. So now let's go back. So we are back to the on create, right? So we are going to go to variable. Now we're going to click on add custom variable here, guys. So we're going to type in capital letter S, start app, start app ads, start app ads, exactly the way it's here. Make sure it's exactly like this, but for tutorials just make sure it's like this, exactly the way it is here. Okay guys, I'll be saving this right now. Save. So next thing we're going to do, guys, we're going to go back, guys. We're going to click on this plus sign here. When we click on this plus sign here, we're going to be adding an import. We're going to add our import to open it. So what are we going to do in this import? So what we're going to do in this import, sorry guys, we're going to click on variable. We'll bring this out, import, import, and import. So now we're going to head back to Zito's project store, and let's go back. Let's go to codes. Let's look for startup ads import, which is here. Open it. So we're going to copy this code one after the other. Copy. We'll paste this right here. Okay. We'll paste this right here. Cancel. We'll paste this right here. So copy the next one. select, copy, paste it right here to save, copy the last one, copy, and what, we'll paste it right here, guys. So when we're done with that, we'll head back again, then we'll go to our library. When we head to our library, we turn on our app compares and design. Now we'll click on add mob. If you want to implement AdMob in your account, you could add your AdMob details, but since we are not implementing AdMob, but we need to activate AdMob so that the ads will be able to display. So we're going to click on this add manually. Just click, type anything of your choice since we're not adding AdMob to our account. Let's click save, let's click next, edit, select this here, edit, select this here, next, and save. Now let's go back, guys. So the next thing we are going to do, we're going to go to our Android manifest, app components ads. Now we're going to head back to Zito's project store. So let's head back to Zito's project store. Let's go back, guys. We'll go to code. What we're looking for is startup ads manifest. We'll copy the code, the manifest code. We'll copy the manifest code, which I copied right here, guys. After I copy the manifest code, I paste the manifest code. So guys, please don't forget to change this code. This code should be, this number here should be the same as this. It should be the same as this in your project, in your app. That is your app ID. So I will for it, because I'm going to be deleting this one here, and now I will be pasting this one that I copied here, right, guys? Remember I told you that if you already have the project installed, because I used this this project ID, which is Zito's project store, which I already have installed on my device. So since I use this, when I build the app, it will say app not installed, but I want you guys to see it before I change it. Okay, guys, so let's click on save. So after I click on save, what I'm going to do next, we're going to go to permission settings. We're going to type in internet permission. Let's type in internet. We're going to turn on our internet permission. After turning on our internet permission, what are we going to do next, guys? Yeah, we're going to go to our local library. Click on local library. We're going to look for startup SDK. We'll switch it on. So if you can't find your startup SDK in your library, it's very easy. Just head back to Zito's project store. Let's go back. We're going to go to code. We're going to look for startup we're going to click on library, startup SDK. We'll click on download, then we'll download the startup SDK library. We'll wait for it to be downloaded. It's downloading, guys. So after the library has been downloaded, now we'll head on to our file manager. So when we open our file manager, guys, we'll hit on the icon above and show hidden files. So when you click on show hidden files, we'll see this name here, .sketchware. Then we'll open our .sketchware. Then we'll, what should we do next? Since once we open our .sketchware, we're going to be looking for libs, LIBS. So if you can't find LIBS, very easy. You create a new folder, name it LIBS, then you open it. When you open the LIBS, we're going to look for local LIBS. If you can't also find local LIBS, you also you create a new folder, you name it, let the name be exactly what is here, then we'll open it. Okay, so what are we trying to say? So we'll go to Zito's project in this file here. Then we'll go to local libs, which is this one here, local libs. So we're going to copy this startup library, which is startup SDK. We're going to copy it. Now move it to internal storage. Now the .sketchware, the libs, the local libs, then we paste it down there. Since I already have it, I won't be pasting it, I'll be canceling it, guys. Okay, so that is that for that. So like I said, we'll switch it on, right? So what I'm going to do next now, guys, let us build the app to see if the app is going to install. Okay, don't forget I told you that it's going to say app not installed because of the words, the app ID that we used. So to prove myself right, I did a lot of research to find this out, but I'm going to share it with you guys just for free. Now let's see. App not installed. Like I said, app not installed. So quickly, you guys, when you see that app not installed, you just head back. Very easy. You head back to your startup IO. It means an app that has been installed in your device already have the startup app ID with it. So it's very easy, guys. What should we do? We'll change our startup ID. Let me use this ID here, testing, guys. I copy this one. Very easy, guys. So for those of you that always skip my video, that does not watch my video to the end, I'm sorry, you've missed this already. You've missed this important keyword that I just shared with you for free, guys, for free. So let us head back to our Android manifest. Let's click on our Android manifest, app components ads. Let's change this app ID. Let's use the other one. Okay, that's why it's not good to share your app ID with anyone, guys. Don't share it with anyone, but I'm just showing you guys because you're also a developer. Don't share it. No, once they implement it in the Android manifest, your app will be showing app not installed. Even though the app is on Play Store, it won't install on your device because the ID already exists in an app in that device. Please take note, guys. Okay, I paste this one here, ending with 43. Okay, save, guys. Now let's head back, go to our on creating the activity, change our app ID also in on creating the activity, paste it also here, save it, guys. So now, guys, what should we do? Let's run it. Now the app is going to install. The app is going to install. Project Store, Zito's Project Store, we rock, Zito's Project Store. Let's click install. Let's see what is going to happen. Oh, share with your friends, share with your brothers. Zito's Project Store. Download Zito's Project Store. Share with your friends. Download Zito's Project Store. Voila, guys, let's open the app. Whoa, programming is fun when you have someone to teach you. Let's agree with the terms and the policy. Okay, guys. So, guys, we can't find the large banner ads. So what I want to do, guys, let's us head back to our sketchware, guys. MC banner has been activity linear 4. Okay, so I saw the error here. So this is why the big banner as the MRC banner as was not displaying. I use linear 4 for both, so we have to change this one here to linear 5. Okay, so the linears are 3, 5 and 4. Okay, sorry guys, that was a mistake. So let's run the ads. Installing the second round. Let's hope it works well. Installing the second round. It will work. It will work. Oh, installing second round. Let's open our project and see what we have. It's working perfectly. Oh, it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. Oh, it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Our next video will be creating a startup video ads. Thanks.